In this video, we will be going over how to add numbers with regrouping. So you might have already come across a question like this, where when you add the two numbers of the same column, so for example, 9 plus 3, we get something like 12. But I can't just put 12 down here, that would be wrong. So instead, we use a technique called regrouping. So let's start with the first column. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So I'm going to split up my 12, starting with the 2 down here, and I'll put a 1 all the way up here. Now, instead of just adding 2 plus 4 like I normally would, I would do 2 plus 4 plus 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. So 29 plus 43 is equal to 72. Let's try another example. So now I have 104 plus 68. I make sure that all my numbers are aligned in the proper column, and I start. So 4 plus 8, again we get 12, so I'll put the 2 down here, and I'm splitting up the 12. So the 1 goes all the way up here. 1 plus 0 plus 6 is 7. In this column, there's only the 1, so I can drag that all the way down. So 104 plus 68 is equal to 172. Let's try this one. Now, you might already know the answer to 499 plus 1, but I wanted to show you what it looks like when we add with regrouping. So 9 plus 1 is 10, so I would put a 0 down here and a 1 up here. Now let's add up the second column. 1 plus 9 is 10. Oh wait, so we also need to split that number. So I'll keep the 0 down here, and I'll regroup the 1 to the top. Now I can add the final column together. 1 plus 4 is 5. So 499 plus 1 is equal to 500. Let's add these three numbers together. So 23 plus 32 plus 6. 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 6 is 11. So let's split up the 11. I'll put the 1 down here and the other 1 up here. Now let's add up the second column. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So 23 plus 32 plus 6 is equal to 61.